Hello, I would like to welcome you to our second tutorial, which will focus on network settings and communication between the central unit and iDM3. In the second section, we will take a look at the update of firmware for system units, which we recommend to do before making a new project. New versions of these updates are a part of iDM3, and how to download and run an update of this software can be found in the first tutorial. Firstly, we will take a look how to identify and set IP address of central unit. Before connecting the power supply to the central unit, hold left, top and right button on the front panel of central unit. After applying power, you will wait about 4 seconds and then BIOS menu will be displayed and you can release the buttons. With the middle button, open the first option, Network, where we can see the network setting details. The default IP address is 192.168.1.1, and for the illustration on how it works, it will be good to view the following. If you need to change the IP for your project, subnet mask, gateway or DNS, you can click on them with middle button. The address will change color to red, and then you can use the buttons for changing the addresses. For the confirmation, you use the middle button again. When are all settings successfully changed, click on the option Back below. In the main menu, select the option Reboot and confirm it. The IP address of central unit has been successfully changed, and now we can move to the setting of the computer and change the IP address which is necessary to do for the connection between central unit and iDM3. If you want to connect with the central unit directly by UTP cable, then it's important to be on the same network. If you are using Windows, click on the network icon, which is in the Windows taskbar, and the right click on the mouse and select the option Open Network and Sharing Center. Connect the UTP cable to the computer and you will see a new local area connection. Open it, Properties, then go to the Internet Protocol version 4, then select Properties again and check Use the following IP address. Because the IP address of central unit has been changed to 192.168.1.1, we need to be on the same network. So we will write in, for example, 192.168.1.2. The subnet mask will be filled automatically. If you have connected your central unit to the network with a router, you don't need to change the IP address of computer because you have already received one from the DHCP server. In this case, you need to change the IP address of central unit to your IP range in your network. Close the settings, and the last step is opening the configuration of iDM3. In the main menu, open the settings and fill in the IP address which you set up before in the central unit. In my case, it's 192.168.1.1. Port number and timeout will stay at the same value. Now we can click on the red symbol in the lower left corner of Unconnect socket. Upon successful connection with the central unit, the icon changes color to green and you will see the notification Fast Run. After that, we can open the device manager and click on the button New Central Unit. We offer two types of central unit, CU301M and CU302M. The second model is integrated with our RF module for communication with wireless actuators. In my demo case, I have the CU302M model. Now, it is important to put the right hardware address, which you can find on the front cover. There is INLS, double dot, and hardware address of your CU. For configuration of hardware address, just click on the central unit, which is on the left side of the screen, and hardware address will be overwritten. If you have added your central unit successfully, we can now click on the button Search Structure. iDM3 will start looking for all units which are connected through the CIB bus. Here you can see all the connected bus units which I have in my demo case. Now is software ready for a new project. Before starting a new project, I recommend to you check all units to ensure they have last firmware version. We are connected with the central unit, and in the device manager we already have all the system units. In this case, go to the main menu and open Download Unit Firmware. Here you can see again all the system units, and we can view two columns. The first one is with the current version of firmware, and the second one on the right side is an option for the new version. Sometimes you can see more than one version of firmware, and in this case you can choose which one you want to install. Of course, I recommend to install the latest one. As you can see, I need to upgrade my EST3, which is our touch display unit, and SA3, which is a switching actuator. First, I select the late version of the firmware and click on the Update to. After a successful update, you will see a green check mark. Now we can close the window, and in the left lower corner is the notification stop. That means central unit is not running, and firstly we need to click on the symbol, and then central unit will move to the fast run mode.